Good morning, 8th grade class of 2022, and welcome to Foundations at CJA for this summer. So each morning you'll log in your email and you'll see a morning email with that day's date. Now, if you're like me and you haven't cleared out your email from the summer, it would be a good thing to select every other email and archive them so that you can have a nice clean inbox. That means you didn't delete it. You can still find it by searching up the title and archive it. So click on the morning meeting, and you will see a video that would be posted right here. You can't see it now because I'm making the video. And we'll go over the day's announcements, including the schedule and everything like that. And here is our schedule for today. If you're in the Arupe section, you've got morning meeting, some orientation stations. Adults will tell you where to go. You've got a math class, then you've got some iReady work time. We're just working for only 20 minutes at a time, working super hard, trying our best. If we don't know it, skip and moving on. We got some wind time of break, some more iReady, and we're going to practice camp if weather permits outside at Moore Park. If not, we'll be in classrooms and spaces throughout the building. You got an exam, and then you got iReady choice time at the end before lunch and dismissal. If you're Loyola, it's pretty much the same thing, except you do your iReady and wind time ahead of time, and then math after that. And for the orientation stations today, we'll be going over expectations, how to tie your tie, talking circles, and what Class Dojo will look like. If you go over the schedule announcements, you'll click on 8th grade Canvas to fill out your mood meter. We want to check in with you each day to see how you're doing, see if you need any help from an adult, or to see if you're just in a good mood and keep track of it over time, see if we can't help you out. So you'll click this next button down in the bottom, and it will go ahead and take you to your mood meter, which you will fill out what zone you're in. If you're not feeling it too well, angry, maybe annoyed, you might be in the red. If you're low energy, you might be in the blue. If you're high energy but just maybe a little bit silly, you might be in the red. And if you're like good to go, ready to go, you might be in the green. You're going to say, what's the word from the zone that you picked? So here are your different words that you can pick. So if I pick green, I might say, okay, I felt loving, and so that's why I typed in the word loving right there. Given the word, you ask yourself, am I going to be able to be successful? For some of you, that might be yes. Maybe you were in the red and you said, hey, no, I'm nervous, and that might prevent you from being successful. You're going to tell us if you need to check in with an adult, and then if there's anything that you need us to know, maybe something happened outside of school. If the answer is nope, nothing you need to know, just say no, and then hit submit. And then finally, each morning at the bottom, you'll either have a person that we highlight, an event that we highlight, some art, maybe a quote that's kind of inspiration for the day. So this comes from Ramon Barnes. It's called Instinctive Movement, and it's a portrait of John Baptiste du Sable. He is Chicago's first permanent resident and therefore founder. And it's important as we learn about ourselves and our communities this summer and prepare us for the future high school plans. It's also important to remember our roots and ask yourselves today, what roots can you lean on to help you this summer? It's going to be an awesome day. Welcome to Foundations. You guys rock. Have a great one.